Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. California releases the COVID-19 Employer Playbook for a safe reopening. The 32-page document follows OSHA's guidelines fairly closely. There are 6 requirements for a California business to meet before it reopens, including the creation of a site-specific plan with disinfecting protocols, physical distancing, face covering guidelines, and health screening measures. Workers must receive COVID-19 specific safety training. The California Department of Public Health Playbook incorporates detailed guidance from both Cal-OSHA and the CDC. Unlike the recently issued Virginia business reopening safety requirements, the California plan does not lay out any specific enforcement penalties within the rule itself. However, the guide will likely be used as evidence that an employer's conduct fell below a minimum standard of care. On a federal level, the Department of Labor and Centers for Disease Control both released updated guidance addressing return-to-work issues. The DOL Guidance includes information on how to calculate leave for furloughed employees who have returned to work following leaves under the FMLA or the FFCRA. The CDC modified their guidance on when an employee can return to work after having contracted COVID-19, decreasing the required isolation time. The agency is also moving away from a test-based protocol in most situations. A New York district judge strikes down part of the DOL's COVID-19 sick leave rule. On Monday, a federal judge sided with New York, which challenged restrictions that the DOL placed on sick leave provided by the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. The judge took aim at several provisions, including one that allowed some employers to avoid paying sick leave if there was no work available for the affected employee, as well as one that adopted an overly broad definition of healthcare providers who are excluded from leave under the FFCRA. Portions of the rule remain intact, and employers should watch this issue as it goes through the courts to see if a shift in policies for documenting and providing FFCRA leave may be needed. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there, everyone. We'll see you next time.